Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that item numbering uh, will works in the Emmets, like UL, LI, and item, and then dollar sign, and then static, then 5. So you will see the results here: item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, and item 5. You don't need to add numeric numbers, you just need to add dollar sign, and it will automatically number your every class. For example, I'm gonna hit enter, and then here we got the dollar sign here, dollar sign here, and here, and here. It will automatically number your CSS classes. So that is very useful. If you want to add a unique class to every li, this is very handy and useful trick to do. And now I'm gonna add some um, mm, add some more examples, like I'm gonna delete this, and then I'm gonna add some li greater than li, and item, and then dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign, and then static 8. So you got the numbers like 0 0 0 1. For example, I'm gonna add here a value of 1000. Here we got the 1000 results here with the single Emmet. Yeah, this one. For example, you have the complete list of data, and more than 1000, or maybe within 1000. So you can also add a unique class for every li. You may also style this with the item, and then 0082. You just, that is very simple work. Like, I have added li, and we got this kind of results here. There are more than 1000 items here. So it's not more than 1000, it's just 1000 items. So you don't need to count. You will see with the dollar sign and numeric numbers, with our a single li with the unique class. Now I'm gonna add some reverse directions. For example, I have added a direction like 1 2 3 4 5. So now I'm gonna make it some reverse direction, like 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So I'm gonna simply add a add sign here, and then add a minus here. Just a minute. So you can also make it reverse, like from 1 to 1000. Like here you can get the results. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and the count should run the 1000 with the reverse directions. like 1099, 98, so you can add 1,000 or more than 1,000 line of code with the unique class using a single line. So now I'm gonna add some different example here, and, with the UL and then LI and then item with the dollar sign and add 3 static 5. So for example, if I'm gonna um, I don't need the 1 2 3 1 2 unique classes in my allies, so I'm gonna start here from 3 with the add sign like this. You may also need the this attribute like starting from 3 and uh, 5 items like 3 4 5 6 7, and then elements are 1 2 3 4 5. So you can also use these uh, in this is not necessary uh, to add these kind of uh, operators using ULLI. You may also use these operators with any of the HTML tag. So and that's all for now, and I hope you guys enjoy my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for getting notifications from my YouTube channel. I'm gonna add a link of my website in the description box, so you may also visit my website, and see you guys in my next video.